Hey, good afternoon out there, PG family. Why am I coming to you in a video on a Tuesday? Because I'm fired up. It's back. 5 for 100 is back. What are we going to do with it? Everyone gets 5? Yes. 3-liner, no problem. Bring your friends and your family over. They're overpaying for their wireless already. And let's bring them into one account, 5 for 100. We got to max it out. So we're excited it's back. What are we going to do about it? We're going to have a contest. So I got 2 contests. Real simple. First contest, managers, listen up. For Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, you've got 3 days worth of quota. If you hit that 3-day quota, which is right there, I will reduce your weekend sales contest quota by 10%. That quota is on the very far screen over there. So hit your Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday goal. I'll reduce your quota by 10%. That makes sure we don't sandbag going into the weekend. Managers, let's stick with you. So you've got your Friday, Saturday, Sunday goal listed over there by tier. Grand prize is dinner and a movie for 2 for the grand prize winner. Do you have to bring me? Sure. I'd probably be best. I'm a good time. I'm a fun date, but you don't have to. Second tier, third tier winner will receive just the 2 movie tickets. Once again, bring me if you really feel you need to. Reps, what's in it for you? Exciting contest as well. So Friday, Saturday, Sunday, we're going to do the points for the rep level that we've done before. So accessory per box for the 3 days. If it's over $35, 4 points. A tab or a mobile broadband activation, 3 points. Handsets, 2 points. Handset activations, 2 points. And then upgrades is 1 point. Grand prize, same thing. Dinner and a movie for 2. And then our other 2 tier winners for the reps will be 2 movie tickets. We will announce the winners right away on Monday and get the prizes out. So we will do updates every day leading up to the no sandbag. And then come Friday, Saturday, Sunday, it is all out craziness. It's final weekend of May, guys, and we got to close strong. We're a little bit behind. 5 for 100. Everybody getting 5. Have a great rest of your week, guys. Contest information is in the email, and go crush it. Let's show them what PG is all about.